Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome back to your favorite learning space, English Podcast with FTJ, where English becomes your second home. I'm Jennifer, your friend, your guide, and your biggest cheerleader in this journey to fluency. Today, we are diving deep into something every English learner dreams of: how to speak English fluently and confidently, just like you speak your mother language. And yes, it's possible. Even if English feels hard right now, even if you feel shy, even if you make mistakes, because let me tell you this, you're not alone and you're not stuck.
In this episode, I'll give you real steps, real tips, real talk, and of course, we'll include daily sentences for you to shadow and practice. That's the magic of this podcast.
So, get comfy, plug in those earphones, grab a tea or coffee if you like, and let's start this transformation together.
Part 1. The truth nobody tells you about fluency. Let's be honest. When you think of speaking English fluently, what comes to your mind? Perfect grammar, big vocabulary, a British or American accent.
Guess what? None of those are the key to fluency. Fluency means you speak without fear. You speak naturally, like you're thinking in English. You don't stop every second to translate in your head.
Now ask yourself, do you translate before you speak your mother language? Of course not. You just know. You just speak.
So your goal is not to be perfect. Your goal is to feel comfortable in English, like you do in your first language. And today I'll teach you how.
Step 1. Think in English, not translate. Let's start with the biggest secret. Stop translating in your head. That's the #1 block that slows you down.
Instead, start thinking in English with simple things. Let's do it together. Listen and repeat after me. I'm brushing my teeth. I am making tea. I'm going outside. It's sunny today. I'm feeling good.
Every time you do something, say it in English. Speak it softly, whisper it, or even say it in your mind. This makes English part of your daily life, just like your first language.
Step 2. Speak every day, even alone. Do you want to speak fluently? Then speak every single day, even if there's no one around.
Here are 5 ways to practice speaking alone. 1. Shadow podcasts like this one. Repeat everything I say. Copy my tone, my rhythm. Pretend we're talking face to face.
2. Talk to yourself. What should I wear? I'm feeling sleepy. Today's going to be great.
3. Record your voice. Then listen and improve.
4. Mirror talk. Look into your own eyes and say, I am a confident English speaker.
5. Use apps or voice memos. Practice 1 minute every morning shadowing sentences. Let's say them together. Repeat after me. I will speak English every day. Even if I make mistakes, I will try. My voice deserves to be heard. I can, and I'll speak English confidently.
Say those again. Believe them.
Step 3. Learn sentences, not just words. Do you memorize 10 new words every day? Stop right there. That's the old way. Fluency comes from sentences, not words.
If you know 1,000 words but can't use them in a sentence, you won't speak fluently. But if you know 100 sentences, you can speak with anyone. So what should you learn? Phrases like, can you help me with this? I'm not sure, but I'll try. That's a good question. Let me think about it. I don't understand. Could you say that again?
These are real life expressions. They flow. They make you sound natural. Shadowing practice. Let's repeat together. Can I ask you something? I'm learning English step by step. Please speak slowly. I'm still improving, but I'm confident.
You see, these are gold, not textbook stuff. Real life English.
Step 4. Don't wait for confidence. Build it. Here's the truth. Confidence doesn't come before speaking. Confidence comes because you speak.
It's like riding a bicycle. At first, you fall, you wobble, you're scared, but slowly you get better. Same with English. If you wait until you feel ready, you'll wait forever. So speak now, even if your voice shakes, even if you mess up, even if you forget words, because with every sentence you speak, you get stronger.
Affirmation time. Say this out loud with me. I am brave enough to speak English today. I don't need to be perfect to be powerful. Mistakes are part of learning. I am growing. I am improving.
Say it again. Let it sink in. Confidence starts with action.
Step 5. Use English in your real life.
Ask yourself, where can I actually use English in my life? Here are ideas. Change your phone and social media to English. Watch movies with English subtitles. Read short stories, comics, or English menus.
Change your phone and social media to English. Watch movies with English subtitles. Read short stories, comics, or English menus.
The more English you see, hear, and use in real life, the more natural it becomes, just like your mother language.
Let's repeat. I will use English in my daily life. English is not a subject, it's a tool. I enjoy learning English every day. Fluency is coming slowly but surely.
Before we move to the second part of this episode, let me remind you, fluency is not a gift. It's a habit. Confidence is not magic. It's practice.
You already have everything you need right now. You don't need to live in the USA or UK. You don't need expensive courses. You just need daily action, belief, and support. And that's what I'm here for.
So, take a deep breath. Smile. You've already taken one more step toward fluency.
Coming up in part 2, how kids learn their mother language and how you can copy it, real emotional blocks like fear, shame, and overthinking, a powerful 7-day fluency plan, listener questions and answers, and 25 more shadowing practice sentences.
Welcome back, my friend. You're still here. That means you're serious about changing the way you learn English. And I promise you, today's episode is a turning point in your journey.
We've already talked about powerful steps. Think in English. Speak every day. Learn sentences, not just words. Build confidence through action. Use English in your real life. Now, let's go even deeper.
Step 6. Learn English like a baby learns their first language. Think about how you learned your first language. Did you study grammar rules? Did you memorize vocabulary lists? Did you worry about mistakes? Of course not. You listened for months. You copied your parents. You tried. You failed. You laughed. You kept going. That's the same way you can learn English.
Let's copy babies and children. First, listen a lot. Then, repeat what you hear. Shadow it. Then, speak short, simple sentences. Then build on those with confidence.
Fluency grows naturally when you treat English like a baby treats language. No fear, no judgment, just joy and curiosity.
Shadow like a child. Let's practice childlike repetition. Repeat after me. Speak like you're learning for the first time. I want to learn. I like English. I will try again. It's okay to make mistakes. I'm learning every day.
These are simple but powerful. Fluency is built with simple blocks, not big bricks.
Step 7, break the emotional blocks. Fear, shame, and overthinking. Now, let's talk about what really stops people from speaking fluently. It's not grammar. It's not vocabulary. It's emotions.
Fear of making mistakes, shame about your accent, overthinking every word, comparing yourself to others, feeling like I'm not good enough. Let's fix this. Mindset shift. Change. I can't to I'm learning. Say this with me. I'm not bad at English. I'm just in the middle of learning. I'm allowed to make mistakes. My accent is part of who I am. I don't need to be perfect to be powerful. Every mistake makes me better.
Can you feel the difference? You don't have to wait to feel brave. You become brave when you choose to speak anyway.
Step 8, the 7-day fluency booster plan. Let's put all this together in a simple 7-day plan. No pressure, just practice.
Day 1. Listen and shadow. Choose a short podcast like this one. Listen and repeat 5 minutes.
Day 2, talk to yourself. Narrate your day in English. Example, I'm making tea. I'm checking my phone.
Day 3. Record yourself. Pick 3 sentences you like. Record your voice, then listen and smile.
Day 4, mirror talk challenge. Look into the mirror and say, I'm becoming fluent. I'm confident. I can do this.
Day 5. Comment in English online. Find a video or post. Leave a kind, simple comment in English.
Day 6, learn 5 sentences, not words. Choose 5 useful phrases. Practice saying them out loud 10 times.
Day 7. Speak to someone, or simulate a chat out loud. Use a language partner or simulate a conversation out loud.
Repeat this every week, and your fluency will grow like a tree. Strong, rooted, and beautiful.
Shadowing time. Advanced daily sentences. Let's now do more shadowing with daily use, fluent-sounding expressions. Repeat after me slowly. Focus on the tone and flow. I'm still learning, but I'm getting better every day. Sometimes I forget words, but that's okay. Can you repeat that, please? Let me think for a second. That's an interesting question.
To be honest, I'm not sure. Let's practice together. I enjoy speaking English more and more. Fluency is a journey, not a race. I'm doing my best, and that's enough.
Now, let's say them again, but this time faster and more naturally. Ready? I'm still learning, but I'm getting better every day. Sometimes I forget words, but that's okay. Can you repeat that, please? Let me think for a second. That's an interesting question.
Awesome! You're sounding great. Keep going.
I want to share one of my favorite messages from a listener named Ahmed from Egypt. He wrote, Lisa, I used to freeze when someone asked me even simple questions in English. I could read, I could write, but I was silent. Then I started listening to your podcast and practicing with shadowing. I talk to myself now every day. I don't feel afraid anymore. Thank you for making English feel like home.
You see, fluency isn't magic. It's mindset plus practice plus consistency. And that's what you are doing right now.
Final fluency reminders. Let me give you 5 golden reminders before we wrap up. 1, you already speak a language fluently, your first language, so you can do it again. 2, speak every day, even when it feels awkward. 3, stop translating. Start thinking in English. 4, use shadowing to copy natural patterns. 5, believe in yourself more than anyone else.
You don't need a perfect accent. You don't need long words. You need your voice, your courage, your heart.
My dear listener, you are not just learning English. You are building confidence. You are unlocking opportunities. You are becoming someone new.
This is not just a podcast. This is a safe space, a learning zone, a place to grow.
So if this episode helped you, subscribe to English Podcast with FTJ. Share it with your best friend. Replay it tomorrow and shadow again. Leave a comment and tell me your biggest challenge with fluency.
Come back next time for a brand new episode. And before you go, let's say one final thing together. I speak English confidently. I speak English naturally. I speak English just like I speak my first language. And every day I'm getting better and better.
I'm so proud of you. Until next time, keep shining, keep learning, and never stop believing in your voice. With all my heart.
This is Lisa from English Podcast with FTJ signing off.